Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and press the plus sign, and then you want to go to time-lapse settings. Sorry that the screen got a little blurry. Press that check mark on the top right, and then the next thing you want to do is just go ahead and write whatever you want to write. And right here I'm just going to write hey as an example. The next thing we are going to do is press that wrench at the top and then click on animation assist. Once you've done that, press add frame, and then you want to go over that same writing, the original writing that you did, and you want to go over it again and just, scribble on it again. Press add frame again, and you just want to repeat this until you think you've done enough, and it's really that simple. And you'll see in just a second how it turns out. Alright, so there you go, and that is how you create your wiggle text. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this again. This is just another example. I'm just going to play around with some different colors. You can tell I'm using kind of like a greenish blue, and we're just going to play around with it and just see what it does. I've never really done like rainbow colors or anything like that, but yeah, it's really not that hard. I just, downloaded or uploaded the app Procreate on my iPad, and I just decided I wanted to learn how to do this. And something else you can do is just create like a transparency and put it over your YouTube videos. I haven't quite done that yet. I have an idea how it works, but I haven't done it. But that is just an idea, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, comment, and like the video.